Man, wonder who calling me. God damn. Goddamn time I turn around, somebody calling my goddamn phone, man. What the fuck going on? Man, what the fuck he want? He always calling me. Damn. Fuck this here, keep calling me. I don't think I should answer this motherfucker way. Oh, motherfucker keep. Hello? Hello? Man, what going on? Huh? Man, ain't got no goddamn boat, man. You gon' huh? You telling me we need a boat? Man, ain't got no boat, man. Ain't got no boat. You see all this water out here in my yard, man. Ain't got no boat. Y'all got a boat? Huh? Hey, come get me. Come get me, cuz. Come get me. Man, y'all got a... You telling me I got one of them small boat? Man, we need a big boat, bro. We need a big boat. Man, get me a big boat. Man, I don't know how to swim, cuz. I ain't lying. I don't know how to swim. Hey, I tell you what, get me a goddamn... What you call them goddamn thing you be floating on in the river? Get me one of them. I'll float. You goddamn right I float. Man, ain't it no payphone booth, man. We talking about the water and shit, man. This shit crazy, man. Man, yeah. Hey, I tell you what, fuck with me. Hey, just come by and pick me up right quick. Oh, damn, I forgot. You need a boat to get me. Hey, get a boat and come get me. Man, I'm calling you off an old ass phone, man. You called me. God damn, I ain't called you. Yeah. Man, I'll be over there. Hey, come pick me up with the boat. Alright. I got to go, man. So much shit going on. Alright. God damn. Motherfucker run the goddamn mile too goddamn much. All he do is run the goddamn mile. Be talking too goddamn much, man. Stop calling my goddamn phone. Now, why they keep calling my motherfucking phone?